Hi and welcome to Santino's Mangia. Arrusti bene mangia! Arrusti bene mangia, everybody! Okay, I'm gonna teach you guys today a real good pasta that you can do it fast. It doesn't take long at all. You just need these few little ingredients and you're gonna have a pasta in a half. It's like an aglio olio peperoncino, but I add a little bit more to it. So what I do is I take anchovies. So I'm gonna use anchovies. We're gonna have garlic. We're gonna have the black olives, the Italian Sicilian black olives. Of course, olive oil. The red chili. You can use the oregano. And you're gonna put black pepper and parsley flakes. And of course, our pasta. If you wanna add some basil, you can add basil too. If you don't like the anchovies, a lot of people don't like them, eliminate them and go on with this. And now we begin. So I've started to cut already some of my garlic. So we're gonna cut them nice and thin. Just like that. Okay, so we got enough of our garlic. I use about 3 to 4 cloves if you like garlic. If you don't like garlic, don't put it in. Then we're gonna take our olives, okay? So we're gonna debone it, just get the olive out like this. Okay, take the bones out, grab a couple more, squish it up, like that. Okay. The black olives I find is the best one to use. And they're soft already, you can get them at any Italian store. Okay, so I'll put about 4 or 5 olives. I'm gonna use 5. I'm gonna use 5 like nice to sing it when you do it. Then you chop them up, huh? Like this. Okay. Chop it up nicely. Like that. And then we're gonna take them to the stove. And we're gonna take it to the stove, huh? Okay, now we've got the olive oil put into the pan. I've got it already preheating. You don't want to get it too hot, okay? And what you're gonna do is then you're gonna take your anchovies. Now the anchovy comes ready with the oil inside, huh? Just like that. So we're gonna throw the anchovies in. Now remember, you don't want to put any salt if you're going to use anchovies and the anchovy paste, okay? The oil. Why? Because when you already put the anchovies in, they already have the salt in it. Okay, so you don't want to make it too salty or else it's no good. The anchovy already has lots of salt. We're just gonna cut them up like this. Piano piano. Make them nice, and you can. Oh my God, the smell is already there. Already it's there. The smell. Che bella cosa, una giornata di sole, l'aria è serena, dopo una tempesta. Arrusta. Okay, so there we go. Now we are done that part. So let that go a little bit. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put in our olives. Only the olives now, huh? Remember, the garlic, you're gonna put it just about last. Why? Because you don't want to brown the garlic. If you brown your garlic, it's no good. The garlic has to stay white. Okay? See? Here goes our olives. Beautiful. Beautiful. And try to break them up as they're in there with the anchovy. Okay? Keep that going. So now is the time that we're going to put in our pepper. So add in your black pepper. Okay. And you could put your oregano at the same time now. Oh my God, you guys, the smell is amazing. Odore di basilico. Where is our basilico? Hang on a minute. We gotta put our basilico. Odore di basilico che accura la domenica. This is the basil. Per un uomo semplice un panino basterà. Yeah, you see that? Now you got your basil. Now you got your basil, your oregano. You have your olive oil. You have your olives. You have your anchovies inside, acciughe, olive, basilico, oregano, olio d'oliva. E ora, and now we're going to put the garlic, aglio. Throw that in like so. Aia. Arrusti bene mangia. People say, what's that mean? Arrusti bene mangia means roast and come and eat. Fry, roast, whatever you want, and come and eat. Look at that. Can you see how it's turning now? Look at this. You see that? Very pretty. Very, very lovely. Okay, and now we're going to add a little bit more of the olive oil. Just a little bit more. We're going to give a little bit more olive oil like this. I know you say, holy smoke, that's a lot, but no, trust me, the spaghetti will soak it, absorb it, and you don't want to eat dry spaghetti, yeah? So that's how that's going to go. So we're going to just let this go a little bit. If you want also, you can put a little bit of white wine, but I'm not going to do it this time, but if you want it, you can put a little bit of the white wine in there. You see how nice it's coming? Very nice. So now we're going to put the water on and get ready for our pasta. All right. Our pasta is now in the water. Okay, we're going to make it boil. Don't cut your pasta. Wait till it gets a little bit soggier in the bottom, then it all goes in. Never cut your spaghetti, all right? Just so you know that. And then you see how it's come like a nice paste? That's what we want. See how it took it all in? You don't need to cut your pasta. And I want to get something straight too. With you guys that go ahead and you say that you call it gravy, the spaghetti sauce, you call it gravy. Well, where does this gravy come? That's a New York thing. That is not an Italian thing. We don't call our sauce gravy. Gravy, you put it on your turkey and your potatoes and all the rest of the stuff that you've used there. Your roast beef. This is gravy. We call it sauce, salsa, pomodoro, sauce, tomato sauce, not tomato gravy. There is no gravy. You got it? Okay, our pasta is now ready. So now we are going to put it right from the pot. Don't strain, put them in a strainer. We need the water, we need the moisture. This is just simmering. And we're going to take our pasta, we're going to throw it inside like this. Inside there like that. See? And you can hear it. Now, here's the thing you have to remember. Your pasta, when you put it inside the pan like this, and you let it sit for about 5-10 minutes in the pan, just let it simmer. This is where the pasta starts to absorb most of its flavor. So all the oil, everything you have that you just made, whether it's sauce, not gravy, or whether it's sauce or it's whatever you're going to do, an aglio olio, anything you're going to do, you're going to want to do it that way. You're going to want to have it in there. Look at that. Oh my God. Is that beautiful or what? Look at this. See? So now we're going to just let it soak up all that beautiful oil. And no, this is not going to kill you with cholesterol, because actually olive oil, they say, I don't know who they are, but everything is they say, but they say really that olive oil helps cholesterol. It gets you fat, but it helps the cholesterol. So now what are you going to do? We're going to take our chili pepper, the last part, second last part. Throw just a little bit of the chili pepper to give you that little bit of a zing. Like that. And if you find that it starts to dry up a little bit, then what we're going to do, you take a little bit of the water that you had from and you just pour a little bit of the water in there because the pasta will absorb it, don't worry. So you don't want to make it too dry. This way. Okay. And we just keep going. Stir it up nicely. Oh my God, I wish you guys can really smell this. Really, absolutely beautiful, beautiful. I want to just zoom in on that. Look at that. Can you see it? Oh my God, look at how beautiful that is. Oh, the smell is amazing. Absolutely amazing. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put them in our plate. Okay, so we're gonna take this spoon like this. It's all about the nice presentation, you guys. Right, so we're gonna grab that off. Make your pasta. Nice and round like this. And put them in our plate. Just like that. And then a little bit of the parsley on top, like so. And ladies and gentlemen, voila. The Santino Special. Try it. It is awesome. See you next time.
And that's it. That's simple. If you've liked this video, make sure you hit the like button and then leave us a comment and please subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.